Good afternoon, students and parents. This is Anubhav Sinhal, Director, Universal Tutorials. Well, I'm here on a Sunday afternoon with a video message, and I'll be talking about three critical things with you and this message is directed towards our 10 CBSE and 9 CBSE students. The three messages which is, first, we are in the month of September. First thing which I want to tell you is that we are in this point of time where in various subjects at various branches, we may be nearing portion completion. So you may see a timetable change because of that. कि कुछ vacant slots जा रहे हैं या science की जगह social लग रहा है या English लग रहा है या हिंदी, depending upon कुछ subjects के portions हमारे खत्म हो रहे हैं या खत्म होने वाले हो. So you may see a change in timetable. Either there are some vacant slots or some different subjects are being planned to cover up portion for that subject. That is the first announcement. So please watch your timetable properly. Second is that schools are going on in September. Schools are going on half-yearly exams. So in the second, third, or fourth week, there may be classes which may be called off. Now, हर एक branch का, हर एक batch का, we've made an assessment. आपसे हमने डेटा इकट्ठा किया कि आपके स्कूल में कब एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं. Based on that information, we have planned a break in your timetable. So please make sure that you're aware कि UT कब बंद है. So UT is trying to align to your school schedule and we have done that break. अगर उसमें आपको कोई दिक्कत है तो please contact our academic coordinator, Mrs. Harsha, because हमको स्कूल से आप ही के थ्रू मालूम पड़ता है. हमने एक सर्वे भेजा था, आपने वो सर्वे में भर के भेजा तो हमको मालूम पड़ा कि कब कब स्कूल्स में एग्जाम्स हैं, and accordingly we were aligned. If you find any gaps, please get back to Mrs. Harsha and we'll be more than happy to help. कि हम जितना best possible adapt कर पाएंगे, we will try to adapt. So that's the second announcement. Finally, third announcement is at this point of time I realize we just finished our PTM. You must have realized कि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अभी tests कम लिख रहे हैं, absent हैं कुछ बच्चे because of school engagement or whatever. So it's a good time कि आप at UT we have a facility कि आप अपने late missed tests, late attempt कर सकते हैं at any point of time, कभी भी. You need not call up. आप ब्रांच पे आए and just बोलें कि मेरे को एक टेस्ट जो मैंने मिस कर दिया है वो लिखना है. Do you have to call up? Do you have to inform in advance? No. Can you walk it at any point of time? All our centers are open 7 days a week. Just walk in and write a test. Write it, get a model answer. So उससे practice होगी, उससे बहुत अच्छा होगा. So ये तीन चीजें मैं announce कर रहा हूँ very quickly. पहला, there may be timetable changes क्योंकि portions complete हो रहे हैं. Second, exam की वजह से break आएगा. So make sure you are aware of that break. तीसरा, मिस टेस्ट आप टाइम पे आके लिखें. लेट अटेम्प्ट लिख सकते हैं. अगर आपने अप्रैल में, जून में कोई टेस्ट मिस करा है, क्या वो आज लिख सकते हैं? यस, यू कैन राइट इट राइट नाउ एंड कभी भी लिख सकते हैं. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑल दिस इज फाइन. दिस इज अनुभव सिन्हल. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.